This is the perfect gift for any occasion. Today we're making an easy book cover. First, I got some roll fiber and cut it to the size of the book. Glue them together using a glue gun. This idea is not just a cute cover, it will also protect the book from damage. Then, grab any piece of cloth. I like to use velvet because it's perfect for these kinds of projects. Make sure that the piece of cloth is 2 or 3 centimeters bigger than the book on all sides. Hold the front cover and the pages in one hand and place the back cover on the cloth. Then glue the cloth on the cover like this. Apply the same technique to the front cover. Cut an opening on the corner, remove the excess on the inside, and make a corner like this. Cut an opening under the spine of the book to make the folding easier. Fold the cloth from the bottom and glue it on the cover. Repeat the same process on the other side and on the top and bottom of the book. Once this step is done, all you have to do is decorate with whatever you want and have available at home. As for the top and bottom of the spine, open both covers and push the cloth inside the opening, like this. Add some glue on the center of the cover and glue a piece of satin to lock the book. Add some glue around the cover and glue the last paper, which is usually white. Do the same thing on the other cover. That way we covered any imperfections. Fold the satin and cut it diagonally, like this. Don't forget to apply a little heat to seal it. This was the base of the cover. Everything after that is purely for decorative purposes and depends on what you have available. I added some metal corners I already had. Just push them in place and press them. They're not only beautiful, but they'll also maintain the book. I also added this crochet strip. You can find it at any craft shop. I glued it from the top, bottom, and center so it doesn't move. I did the same thing on the other side. I printed this phrase, "You can choose whatever you want, cut it," and added a transparent sticker for protection. Cut out the excess sticker and glue it on the cover like this. I glued pearls cut in half around it to make a frame. As a final touch, I glued a bookmark at the top of the spine. This is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This idea is perfect if you want to start a small business, if you want to make it for yourself or as a gift.